In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Facebook app on your laptop. As you can see, we have my laptop turned on. And what we're going to do, we're going to go to the Start button, and you need to look for Microsoft Store. As you can see here where my cursor is, we're looking at Microsoft Store. If you don't have it in the pinned apps, you can go to the search bar at the top here and just type in Store. You will then see Microsoft Store. Click on that, and what we can do from here is download and install Facebook. So go to the search bar again at the top and type in Facebook. Click enter, and you'll then see the Facebook apps available. As you can see, here's the first one, Facebook. It is free. We can click on this. Then it will load us into the Facebook window. We can then click get, then just be patient. It will get ready to download Facebook. As you can see, we're preparing to download. It's now installing, as you can see here. Almost done. And there you go, it's now installed. You can see in the bottom right, we've got the notification. We can now close out of this. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually open this because it is important. If you go to the start icon, it should be pinned here. If it isn't pinned, it might be on recommended. What you can do is, if you want to open it, just search for Facebook. Then you'll see the Facebook app. Click on it, it will then load, be patient, and here we have the Facebook app. You can go ahead and log in with your email and password.